Dear students, I hope that you have done your best in the periodic tests. As you know, when there were regular classes in school, I went to the classrooms during the vacant periods and checked the students with the work of different subjects and also tried to update their knowledge related to English grammar, which was my subject in MA. Now today we will take the topic modal, and I once again tell you that you can watch these videos according to your convenience, but you must watch the videos sent to you by your regular subject teachers. Okay, now the topic modal. Auxiliaries we have also read in verbs. Two types of auxiliaries: primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. And what is modal auxiliaries? Look, modal auxiliaries are called modals because they are used to express the mode or manner of the action denoted by the main verb. What is the mode or manner of the action denoted by the main verb? It is expressed by modal auxiliaries. And this sentence will make the definition more clear. In other words, they express the ideas such as ability, possibility, obligation, duty. Okay. and two main points should be noted by for modal auxiliaries. One is modal auxiliary is not used alone, it is used with the main verb. And second, modals, we would say first form of the verb is used after the modals. These two important points should be noted. And now we read different types of modals and their uses. First of all, we will take uses of can. First use, to express ability. What ability someone possesses, not possesses, if possesses. Look, I can lift this box. I possess this ability. Can you speak English? Can you possess this ability? And denial of ability, absence of ability. He cannot open this lock, absence of ability. Second use, to express informal permission. Two kinds of permission there. informal and formal. You may clear this idea. The letters you have read, two types of letter, formal and informal. Informal, we take care which the permissions which are not related to officials. And permission, to seek permission, to grant permission, and denial of permission. You cannot pluck these flowers. Can I sit here? Yes, you can sit. And third one. Two types of possibility. One depends upon ability and other depends upon uncertainty. That we will discuss later. Now we will discuss possibility depends upon ability. Electricity can be dangerous. Electricity possesses the ability to be dangerous. There is no question of to be or not to be or uncertainty. So it is depends upon ability. Yeah. Mistake. Not everybody, anyone can make a mistake. There is a famous proverb, to err is human. So anyone can make a mistake. Possibility depends on ability. And another use. We will discuss, write it separate. Fourth one. can't help is used as an idiomatic expression, means can't avoid the things that cannot be avoided. No. It is funny. I can't help laughing. He is an emotional fellow. He can't help weeping. So in this case, can is used. Here are the uses of can, and for today this work is sufficient. Okay.